PTE Retell lecture, let's do some experiment. What kind of response will give you 0 out of 6 for the content, 2 out of 6 for the content, 3 out of 6, 4 out of 6, 5 out of 6, and finally 6 out of 6 through our newly launched AI portal. Want to understand more about the in-depth explanation and the algorithm for Retell lecture evaluation? Make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul here from SKILLS PTE ACADEMIC. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another super awesome power-packed video on the PTE Retell lecture, all experiments done. Well, before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Anytime you need online assistance, it's a paid assistance. The WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. Finally, we have launched our AI portal, www.skillsptewithnakul.com. There are already more than 8,000 people have logged in, subscribed, and are practicing. If you also want to do it, the link is in the description, or you can just type www.skillsptewithnakul.com. Also, to add further, we released our 4 official ebooks. The link for all the ebooks are in the description of this video. You can click on any of the links, buy it as a combo, and avail some discount as well. And our Skills Pro AI, the spell, vocabulary, and the collocation app is released for the Android version. iPhone will be released shortly. The link for that as well in the description. Alright, without any further delay, let's straight away get right into the PTE Retell lecture. All experiment done. When we talk about PTE Retell lecture, well, there are a lot of changes, especially after the recent update from August 7th, 2025. So what is the first change? The content has become a priority. Earlier content was 5, fluency 5, pronunciation 5, but now content is 6, fluency 5, pronunciation 5, meaning content has become more important. And whenever you practice on a portal, it should basically decide your answer, your speech, more on the content, probably second on the fluency, and the last on the pronunciation. Now, when we talk about the content, how to get this 6 out of 6 for the content? How much information should I give? Is it like 4 phrases, 10 keywords, 20 keywords? How much of it should I give so that I get more marks? And can I use templates? Can I use some generic templates and still get marks each and everything? I'm gonna test, I'm gonna show in our newly launched AI portal, www.skillsptewithnakul.com. Right now we will do some 4-5 experiments. I'll play an audio, you can try it out yourself, and then I'll show what I'm doing. We'll just show you what it is, how you can also get more scores and also get more insights on the PTE Retell lecture content evaluation. Let's start. Alright, so this is our portal. I'm gonna take up this 8th Retell lecture question called hiring, and this is the transcript. For this research purpose, I've already taken the transcript, and I'm showing you the highlighted ones in yellow, and that would what my answer would be. Basically, I'd be talking exactly as it is, some 4 sentences, not small sentences, a little lengthy, because the content is now 6. In order to get 6 out of 6, you need to give that extra content, or you need to go an extra mile to fetch that. So my answer would look something like this. A lot of restaurants, cafes, places that hire a lot of part-time work. That would be my first sentence. And a lot of times restaurants will post on their website, and sometimes you will see help wanted signs where there will be lots of information. Do they need a manager? You don't know about the salary. I'm trying to cover up these many things in my answer, and without a template. Whether you use a template or not, remember, it's not going to make any difference. Why? Because the words in the template are certainly not present in the transcript. Software would not even know what those words are, so how can you assume that software is going to give you scores for the template? Whether you use it or not, it's not going to make much of a difference. Probably it just gives you the push to get the flow. Well, I'll not use a template. This I'll speak and see, we'll figure out how much marks do we get. But meantime, I'll play the audio. If you have a pen and a book, take some notes, and once the audio ends, just see how much of the notes that you've taken. Probably you can compare with the notes that I have taken. I've already highlighted, and then I'll just speak and show you. Let's start with the very first audio. Here you go. Alright, just clicking on the question. You can take the notes. Let's see.
A lot of restaurants, cafes, places that, hire a lot of part-time work, they're always circulating staff. Students on vacation, or somebody has a baby, and then you're always looking for new workers. And a lot of times restaurants will post on their website, but they'll also post help wanted signs in the window. And if you see a sign that says help wanted, it means they're looking for people to work in their restaurant or cafe or something.
Exactly. And sometimes you'll see help wanted signs where there will be lots of information, but often there's no extra details, right? It just says help wanted, but you don't know, okay, what kind of help do they need? Do they need a manager? Do they need a cook? Do they need a server? You don't know about the salary. Any of that information you don't know. So you have to go into the restaurant and ask for the manager and then find out the details.
That's all, and we have 10 seconds. I'm gonna skip it because I already know what I'm gonna speak. Maybe you can just compare the notes that you have written with this. I'm just skipping it and starting. A lot of restaurants, cafes, places that hire a lot of part-time work, and a lot of times restaurants will post on their website, and sometimes you will see help wanted signs where there will be lots of information. Do they need a manager? You don't know about the salary. Probably I've spoken for 13-14 seconds, should be still fine. If you add template, it will become 20-25 seconds, as simple as that. This is just to show you what is the reality. See there, I have covered this much of data. Basically whatever I've spoken has been converted. Every part of it is praised. There's a lot of restaurants, cafes, places that hire a lot of part-time work, and a lot of times everything exactly as it is has been transcribed. That means the AI, the one that is taking care of this transcription is working good, or my pronunciation is good. Second is fluency 5. I was very fluent, and the context is 6 out of 6. Whether you speak 40 seconds or 13-14 seconds, it's not going to make much difference. What makes difference is the coverage of the content. People speak 40 seconds and still can get 0. The coverage of the content, here I've covered probably 50% of the audio exactly as it is. That probably is the key here. Don't try to paraphrase. You want to paraphrase, you can do it, but there is no guarantee that software thinks that you are conveying the right information. It may assume that you are conveying wrong information, or probably you spoke something which is not transcribed correctly. As a result, software gets to know that you have used some wrong word which is not going with the audio, and marks may go down. The best solution, the bestest way, the safest way is to copy exactly as it is. I've already shown how to take this kind of notes, listen for 3-4 seconds and decide this is what I'm going to write. Start writing for 3-4 seconds. Do this 4-5 times. You can just write something like this, but don't copy small sentences. If you take small phrases, very small sentences, very small keywords, what is going to happen? Very shortly I'll show you. But if you write this much, which has approximately 50-60% of the content exactly matching, the time you don't have to worry. This will give you 6 out of 6. Even in the exam it has to give. This is the first part. Now what I'll do, I have the second one where I'll speak this many keywords, the one that I've highlighted: restaurants, places, vacation, workers, restaurants, window, wanted, restaurant, cafe, signs, 10 over, information, wanted, extra, manager, cook, 15 over, salary, information, restaurant, details. 19 keywords that I'm going to write. Let's figure out how much marks to this AI that we have developed gives, and whatever it gives, trust me on this. You got to trust me when I say that. Something similar you're gonna get. 99.99% similar, I can guarantee you. So what do? I'm just play the audio, and then we'll just wait, and then I'll speak this and we will see. And also I'll make sure I'll speak this template, and we will see how much marks do I get. Let's start. We'll just cut this audio and directly take you to the skip option. Alright, the audio has just ended. We have trimmed that part. I'm just skipping it. We'll just start. The lecture is about a lot of restaurants, places, vacation, workers. Firstly, the speaker explained about keywords such as restaurants, window, wanted, restaurant, cafe. Later, speaker keywords said keywords such as science, information, extra, wanted, manager, cook. In the end, speaker also talked about keywords such as salary, information, restaurant, details. I've spoken for 20 seconds. We'll just figure out how much marks do we get. This is certainly not the way to speak in the exam, 100%. It ends up giving you 3 out of 6 for the context. And see, once the context drops down, fluency automatically goes down, because you're not speaking anything that is relevant to the topic. And obviously it will go down, and it has this cascading effect and takes your marks down. And don't just rely on this 3 out of 6. In the mock test, if you take, there we have coded if the context is 3 or below 3, again some different marks you get. It's not 4 plus 3 plus 3.81 divided by 15. That kind of algorithm don't even assume has happened at the back end. We are also smart. We know what people do. So here 3 out of 6 because it has covered probably 30% of the audio, 30-40% of the content, probably with a lot of keywords, but just giving keywords is not enough. Your content drops down to half. Meaning if Retell lecture is going to give you some 15 marks, you end up getting only 7 and not more than that if you follow this. So don't do this. 100% this is not going to work. So we'll just see the third way, wherein I will take some phrases like I've shown, a lot of restaurants, students on vacation, a lot of times restaurants, signs in the window, lots of information, help wanted, need a cook, ask for the manager. These are the small phrases. Probably earlier this would have still given you good scores because the content was not a very high priority over fluency, though content was 5 and fluency was 5, but now content is 6 and probably it's not the right way to do. We'll just do it again. I'll play the audio. I'll just speak the template and speak these phrases and see how much marks do we get. Again, we will trim the audio. Alright, the audio has just ended, we hope. I'm just skipping it and starting it. The lecture is about lot of restaurants. Firstly, the speaker said students on vacation, lot of times restaurants, signs in the window. Later, speaker mentioned details about lots of information, help wanted, need a cook. In the end, speaker told, ask for the manager. Alright, I've spoken. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 phrases, very small, 3 to 4 words phrases, and the context is still 3 out of 6. It's not going up because that's what it is. And that's how it should be because now content is 6 marks. After the recent update, they expect you to put some effort into it. You should showcase that yes, you have got a good listening skill, you are capable of understanding what the audio is all about, and you have that capability to retell the audio. For that, you need to either speak something on your own, a lot of content, or whatever the first method that I showed, copy paste some 4 sentences, a little lengthy, 8 to 10 words, 1 sentence like that, 4 to 5 sentences. Listening also some 12 to 15 marks, speaking also some 20 to 15 marks from 2 questions. Remember this. We will go to the next experiment where I'll speak just 5 words. I just need 50. What I'll do, 1, 5 keywords with my template I'll speak. Those kind of people will show what marks do you get. Let's restart. Alright, I'm just skipping it. We'll start. The lecture is about restaurants. Firstly, the speaker talked important key points and relevant information about website. Later, speaker mentioned details about the unusual points of the lecture such as sign. Here, speaker explained some key content of the lecture such as information. In the end, speaker told salary. So we spoke more of a template and some 5 keywords. So let's see how much marks do we get. It's 1 out of 6 because still you are trying to speak some 10% from the audio or 5% from the audio. So we cannot directly give 0. So 1 out of 6 is what you would get if you do something like this. Now we will speak something gibberish, something that doesn't have anything from the lecture, just the template. The lecture is about one of the greatest incident in the history. Firstly, the speaker talked important key points and relevant information about various entities present in the world. Something of this we will speak and quickly find out how much marks do we get. Let's restart and we're going to trim this and directly show you this. Alright, the audio has ended. I'm just skipping it and starting to speak. The lecture is about one of the greatest incident in the history. Firstly, the speaker talked important key points and relevant information about various entities present in the world. Later, speaker mentioned details about the unusual points of the lecture which are never fulfilled by any. Here, speaker explained some key content of the lecture which seemed very interesting and astounding. In the end, speaker told about some secretive things which were never made public. So basically, I did not speak anything from the audio. Some generic template. I think it should be 1 or 0. I think mostly it should give 0 if it has been designed that way. And most importantly, it just did not make context 0 because you're trying to trick. So it made fluency also 0, pronunciation also 0. Be very, very careful. And don't think the previous one, I think I'll get fluency 5 when the context is 1 out of 6. That's only in the practice. You take the mock test. If the content is less than 3, we've made everything 0. So that's what the behavior is actually seen when you take a mock test and not just individual question. Hope you are getting it. So this is what it is. Try to write some sentences, at least 4 or 5, a little lengthy sentence to get good scores towards your listening and speaking both from Retell lecture. Alright, I think that's all for today. I really hope this was an informative content. If you believe the same, like, share and subscribe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section. This is Nakul, Nakul, Nakul signing off from Skills PTE. Soon we'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks much.